Assalamu alaikum. I am Amiyo Bhattacharjee. I will take Higher Mathematics first paper of class 11. My dear students, I hope you all will cooperate. Thank you very much. Okay, dear students, suppose okay, you are at the point A. Here the point is P. You want to go to P from A. You will go to P from A. How many ways are there to go to P from A? Your direction will be right side and only upward. You cannot go to the left or you cannot go to the lower portion. Okay, you have to go always upward or right side. I want answer from you. How many ways are there to go to P from A? Suppose you have started your journey from A. That is, you can go A to this point, then this point, then this point, then this point, like this. This point, then this point, then this point, then this point. You have one way. In this, how many ways are there? Okay, let's see. Suppose this is one of the ways. This is one of the ways, okay? This is also another way. This is also another way. Okay? How many ways are there? This is one of the ways. In this way you can go. Sorry. In this way you can go. Okay? This is another way. That is this, then this, then this, then this. Another way. Okay? You have also this and this. Have you seen? This. In this way, you can also go. All are different ways. Have you seen? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we have another way? Okay, we have. We can go like this. From here, this and this. That means this, this. We have also another way. Do we have? Yes, we have. From here, this, like this, this. Have you seen all those we have drawn are different ways? Okay? Have you thought? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways. Okay? In every way we have, you see, in every way we have 2 horizontal and 2 vertical. That means what I am telling for horizontal, suppose these and these are vertical here. and these are horizontal, like this. These and these are horizontal, and these are vertical. In these all 6 steps, we have 2 vertical ways and 2 horizontal ways. Have you seen? That means we have 2 this way and we have 2 this way. 2 horizontal and 2 verticals. That means we have in total 6 ways. Now, how you will prove mathematically, right? Mathematically, you have proved it through figure, but how you can prove it mathematically? Okay, this is the question. You see, how many parts are there? We have 1 part, 2, 3, 4. So that is factorial 4 by 2 horizontal and 2 parallel. Okay, is equal to what? Equal to 6. This is the formula. Now, if you are told, suppose like this. Now you are here. You want to go at the point P. How many ways are there? Can you answer me, please? I want to see who can answer. Who can answer? Okay, you see, we have in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have in total 13 ways, 13 parts, of which there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 horizontal into 7 vertical. This is the answer. Have you seen? Very tricky math, but you have to do. Please try to understand. If you don't understand, please write me. You have total 13 parts, okay? Out of them, there are 6 horizontal parts and 7 vertical parts. So this is your answer. There are 9 letters in a word, okay, and total arrangement of words, okay, 3024. There are 9 letters in a word and total arrangement is 3024. My question is, how many same letters are there? How many same letters are there? Can you answer me? Who can answer me? Same letters. How many same letters are there? Suppose we let that same letters are, there are p numbers same letters. There are p numbers same letters. Okay? So what we know, 9 letters, that means 9 factorial, 9 factorial, and the same letters, that means they are repeated by p factorial, as they are repeated by p, same thing will be repeated. So it is to be divided, total is to be divided by the factorial of same letters is equal to 3024. That means factorial p equals to factorial 9 by 3024. Now you use the calculator. You use the calculator. We will get 120. Now this 120 means what? 5. So we can write p equals to 5. That means there are 5 same letters. That means there are 5 same letters. Now suppose we have 3 points. 1, 2, 3 points. We have 3 points. Okay? And it is said that those 3 points are not collinear. Okay? That means the points don't lie on the same straight line. How many sides can be formed? How many sides can be formed? That at the beginning of exercise 5, that is permutation and combination, I told the differences between permutation and combination. Can you remember? That is for side, for triangle, for diagonal. Okay, combination, formula of combination is used. Okay. So my question is, you have 3 points. Okay, you have 3 points. So how many sides can be formed? Very good. How many sides do we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 sides. So at least it takes 2 points, okay, to form a line. Okay. That means 3 points. 3. It takes 2 points. It takes 2 points to form a straight line. So 3C2, that means what? In class 10 and exercise 10.2, 10.1, you did a lot of math of C. Okay, 3C2 equals to what? Equals to 3. But if we have, then how many sides will be there? Very good. 5C2. 5C2 equals to what? 10. You understand? There will be 10 sides. Okay? Like this. Like this. We have here 6. We have here 6 sides. 7, 8. Okay? We have 8, 9, 10. Have you seen? We have 10 sides. Here there are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is good. So, if there are 5 points, then we can form 10 straight lines. In this way, for octagon and so on, we may have. Suppose you have 4 points. Again, 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many triangles can be formed? How many triangles can be formed? Can you tell me? To form a triangle, we need 3 points, and those 3 points must not be collinear. I told you we have 4 points. How many triangles can be formed? Okay, you see, triangle means what? 1, 2. There are 2 triangles. Okay. If it is not, suppose another 2. So we have 4 triangles. We have 4 triangles. Don't think that it is a triangle. It is not a triangle. It is not a triangle because this is not a given point. We have 4 points and it takes 3 points. It takes 3 points to form a triangle. So that is 4C3 equals to what? 4. Okay. If we have 5 points, then 5C3 equals to what? 5C2. They are supplementary. You understand? 5 minus 3 equals to 2 is equal to what? 10. I mean, its value is this. If we have 5 points, that is in pentagon, we have 10 triangles. In pentagon, we have 10 triangles. Now the question may be arisen, how does it come? How does it come? Suppose this is a pentagon. This is the pentagon, right? How many triangles are there? Very good. 2 triangles, another 2, 4 triangles, right? There are 4 triangles here. 5, this is 5. In this way, this is 5. In this way, this is 6. Okay. And this is 7. This is 8. Wholly and fully, it is 8. And this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and there are 4 plus 3, 7, this is 8, and this is 8, okay, and from here this, from here this is 9, in this way, this is 10. Have you seen? The total 10. 5C3 equals to 10. There are 10 triangles. You can draw it at home. You will get 10 triangles. Now the question is for diagonal. Suppose this is a 4-sided figure, that is a quadrilateral. N equals to 4, that is 4-sided figure. How many diagonals do we have? How many diagonals? Yes, we can answer easily. There are 2 diagonals. Formula to determine the diagonals of a quadrilateral or any polygon, that is NC2 minus N. Suppose N for what? 4C2 minus 2. 4C2 minus 4 equals to what? 2. This is the formula. You know why it is minus here? We know that we know how many points are there. There are 4 points that will be subtracted. Okay, this point or this point, they don't make any diagonal. Okay, for this it will be subtracted. NC2, it takes 2 points to make a diagonal, but adjacent points won't form any diagonal. So this, now if you are told to determine how many diagonals are there of a pentagon. So what is the formula? 5C2 minus 5 equals to 5. So there are 5 diagonals in a pentagon. In a pentagon there are 5 diagonals. If it is hexagon, 6C2 minus 6. If it is heptagon, 7C2 minus 7. Octagon, or decagon, 10C2 minus 10. Okay, have you seen? 10C2 minus 10. So this question is given always to determine the number of diagonals of a polygon. So my dear students, you please take care of this part. This is the formula to determine the number of diagonals of any polygon. n C2 minus n. Please try to understand. I repeat, n C2 minus n. Okay, remember it. Okay, for the formula, NCR n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial. And we also know that n factorial means n into n minus 1, n minus 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, do you know it? Yes, we know it. But if the math is given like this, n plus 1 factorial, n plus 1 factorial equals to what? N plus 1, n minus 1, n minus 2, 3, 2, 1. Have you seen? So we can write, this can be written n plus 1 into n, then it is, then we can write n minus 1. Please try to understand. Okay, 1 will be consecutively, one will be what? Subtracted, right? Now n plus 1 C2 equals to what? We have to find n plus 1 C2 equals to what? Okay, you see the formula n factorial, n plus 1 factorial, then r factorial, that means 2 factorial, then what? n plus 1 minus 2. I am using this formula. That means n plus 1 to n minus 1. Is it? Now, what is n plus 1 factorial? N plus 1 factorial means what? N plus 1 into n minus 1 factorial by, it is what? 2 factorial, means what? 2 into n minus 1 factorial. So what we are getting? We are getting this n minus 1 omitted. That means we are left with n into n plus 1 by 2. My dear students, in class 9 we are also taught that this is the sum of first n natural numbers. This is the sum of first n natural numbers. This is a formula, right? This is a formula. You understand? This is a formula. So come to know that this is equal to n plus 1 C2. Have you seen? These and these are equal. These and these are equal. So 1, 2, 3 up to n is equal to n plus 1 C2. As for example, suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4, 9 into 10 by 2, that is equal to 45. Okay, that is equal to 45. It can be written as I wrote you, n plus 1 C2. What is n? N is here 9. So n plus 1, that is 10 C2. And we know 10 C2 is also 45. 10 C2 equals to what? 45. Why I am showing you this? Because suppose you are in a club and you have 9 friends, including you, you are 10 in numbers. In a club, you have 9 friends, okay? So you are going to take goodbye from your friends, and the condition is all of your friends will handshake to everyone, okay? Now, in how many ways that all of your friends, including you, will shake hands to everyone? How many ways are there? Among these 10 friends, how many ways are there? You see, suppose there are 10 friends, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There are 10 friends. Okay? There are 10 friends. Suppose it is you. It is you. You want to shake your hands. Then, to how many friends you will shake your hands? It is you. So there are 9 friends left. So you will shake your hand with 9 friends. Now, suppose you are gone. How many left? There are 9 friends are left. Suppose this B will shake hands. Okay? As A has been done. Okay? Now B will shake his hands with 8 friends. Suppose this is C. He will shake his hands with 7 friends in this way. In this way, okay? 9, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Equals to what? Equals to, that is, what is the formula? 10C2, this is 9. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So it is, 1 will be more. N plus 1 C2, N plus 1 C2. So what is N? N is 9. So 9 plus 1, 10. That is 10 C2 equals to 45. So there are 45 ways. There are 45 ways that everyone will shake their hands among 10 friends. Okay? Now, Pascal's triangle, we all know Pascal's triangle. When n equals to 0, it is 1. When n equals to 1, it is 1, 1. When n equals to 2, it is 1, 2, 1. When n equals to 3, it is 1, 3, 3, 1. N equals to 4, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. In this way, n equals to 5, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. I think you know it, right? Dear students, it is what? 11 to the power 0 equals to what? 1. You see, this is 1. It is what? 11 to the power 1 equals to what? 11. This is 11. It is 1 to 1. 11 to the power 2 equals to what? 1 to 1. Have you seen it is 1 to 1? 11 cube equals to what? 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. 11 to the power 4 equals to what? 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. You understand? You can use the calculator and you will get all this. So in the exam hall, suppose a plus b whole to the power 4, you have to determine the expansion. You have to expand it. Suppose, what will you do? You know, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. You can easily put the value. But it is applicable up to n equals to 4. Up to n equals to 4, it is applicable. But I am going to show you another thing. You please pay attention. Attention is needed now. Equals to what? 1. It is equal to what? 2. It is what? 4. I am going to add 1 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1 equals to what? 8. This is 5, 6, 11, 15, 16. This is equals to 16. This is what? 6, 16, 26, 31, 32. Okay, I have written. Very interesting fact is that here it is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. Is it or not? Yes, it is. If we add the coefficients, we will get 2 to the power n. That means, if we consider like this, in this way, if we consider like this, suppose, if we consider like this, NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3, NCN, then our formula is 2 to the power n. This is the formula. Pay attention. This is the formula. You understand? The sum of the coefficients is 2 to the power n. This is the formula. Now, from this, we can write NC1, NC2, NC3, NCN equals to 2 to the power n minus NC0 equals to what? Out of n, I will not take any one. That means same will be, that is in one time, minus 1. I mean NC0 equals to 1. NC0 means what? And if you put the formula, you will get 1. NC0 means, suppose in this room, okay, you will not take anything. Then in how many ways? So there are only one way, that you cannot take anything. So NC0 equals to what? NC0 equals to what? 1. So this is also another formula. This is also another formula. Okay? Please keep it in mind. Keep it in mind. Suppose you have Suppose 6 friends, okay, and you want to invite. You will invite one or more than one. You will invite one friend or more than one friend. Have you got me? Suppose you have 6 friends and you will invite one or more than one. How many ways are there that you can invite your one friend or more than one friend? Okay, let me know. Suppose out of 6 friends, you can invite one in 6C1 way. You can invite 2, 6C2. You can invite 3 friends. You can invite 4 friends. You can invite 5 friends. You can invite all 6 friends. You see, I didn't tell you that you cannot invite any friend. Okay? That means here, this part is not given. Have you seen? This is not given here. That is, you must invite at least one friend. You must invite at least one friend. So this is not applicable. 6C0 is not applicable here. So 6C0 means what? 1. Anyway, it is equal to what? Can you see the formula? NC1, NC2, NC3 up to NC1 equals to 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n minus 1. What is n here? N is 2 to the power 6 minus 1 equals to what? 63. So there are 63 ways that you can invite one or more than one friends. There are 63 ways that you can invite one or more than one friends. Have you got it? A word degree. A word is degree. Okay. Now, how many words can be formed using all the letters of the word degree? How many words? Can you tell me how many words? Okay, let's see. Okay. Suppose, what are the letters? D, we have the letters D, Z, R, okay, and we have these letters, right? D, Z, R, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, you see, number of combinations. Suppose in first step, in step 1, I am going to take all four different letters. How many different letters we have? We have actually 4 different letters. That means D, Z, R, E. D, Z, R and E. We have 4 different letters. Okay? Dear students, one thing. Suppose you have gone to buy pen, right? 1 pen. You will buy 1 pen. So in a shop, there are 10 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And all those 10 pens are same. Okay? Now you will take 1 pen. How many ways are there to take 1 pen? Answer me. There are 10 same pens. Okay? How many ways are there to take 1 pen? Just write me. I want to see. No answer. You have gone to a market and you want to buy 1 pen. Okay? How many ways are there to buy 1 pen? I am not getting any answer from you. No answer. Can't you answer? Okay, I know that all of you will answer that yes sir, there are 10 Sion ways, right? I think all of you will answer. But it is absolutely wrong. It is absolutely wrong. 10 Sion means what? 10? Is there 10 ways? You are not taking 10 pens, you are taking one pen. If you take this pen, it means the same if you take this pen. If you take this pen, it also means the same if you take this pen. All the pens are same. So, remember one thing. From the same thing, there is only one way to take. Please pay attention. From the same thing, there are only one way to take. Suppose there are 3 E's. You will take one E. If you take this E, means if you take this E. Also means if you take this E. You understand? So to take one E, we have only one option. We have only one way to take any of E. Okay, very good. Now you can ask me, sir, very good. If I want to take 3 pens, then how many ways are there to take 3 pens from these 10 pens? How many ways? And you will answer, sir, it is 10C3. You are absolutely wrong. It is not 10C3. Okay, you can take these 3 pens. You can take these 3 pens. You can take these 3 pens. They mean same. Because 10 pens are same. So any of 3 pens you can buy, you can take, and there is only one way to take. One way. So what I want to tell you is that from the same thing, if you select, there is only one way to select. Okay? There is only one way. Even if you take all these 10 pens, you have only one way. Anyway, 4 different. So 4 different means what? There are 4 different letters. D, Z, R, E. So we have 4C4 equals to 1. Is it? 4C4. This is very very important math. We have 4 C4 ways. That is one way. Out of 4 letters, I am going to all those 4. So we have only one way. Is it? Yes. Option 2. We are going to take 2E and 2 different. What is meant by this? 2E. Out of 3E, we will take 2E. So we have only one option. Out of 3E, we will take 2E. So we have only one option. And 2 different. Out of these 3, I have taken 2E. Only one option. And we have 3 different. Out of 3, I will take 2. Equals to what? 1 into 3, that is equal to 3. Sorry, class. আমি ক্লাসে okay, so out of now number 3, 3E and 1 different. What is meant by this? 3E and 1 different. We have 3E. I will take all those 3 and we have only one way. 1 different. There are 3 different. 1, 2, 3. That is 3C1 equals to what? 3. Is there any other option? Yes, you may tell. Yes, sir. There is another option. 3 different, 1E. 3 different, 1E. most of the students have tendency to write down this part as the step number 4. The three different one, my dear student, three different what? T, D, Z, R, and one is this D, Z, R, E. Have you seen? D, Z, R, E. All those are 4 and they are different. Have you seen? We have taken 4 different. So this won't be considered. Many students have tendency to consider this. This is wholly and fully wrong. And we have got our answer. We have got our answer. 1 plus 3 plus 3 equals to total 7 combinations. This math is really very, very important. This math is really very, very important for your time. Okay. Now, another important math that is called thesis. Okay, you can do the math of thesis, the most important another math, thesis. Can you do it? I am going to show you thesis. The word is thesis. We have T, H, E, I, and thesis. Okay, is it? We have to form the words of 4 letters. Okay. Suppose I will take at first question number 1. All those 4 different. I will take 4 different. I will take 4 different letters. So what are the different letters? Okay, let us write T, H, E, I, and S. We have these 5 different letters. Out of these 5 different letters, we are going to take 4 letters. So we have 5 C4 ways. How many ways? 5 C4 ways. We have 5 letters, and out of these 5 letters, I am going to take 4 letters. Have you seen 5 different letters? Okay, 5 different letters, and we are going to take out of these 5. We are going to take 4 letters, and we are left 5 C4 equals to what? 5. Now case number 2. Case number 2. We'll take 2 S. I will take those 2 S and 2 different. As I told you, 2S means what? Same. And there is only one way left. There is only one way to select. That is 1 into 2 different. If it is taken, then we have 4 different letters, right? We have 4 different letters. Is it? 2 different. We have to take 2 different out of these 4 different letters. Pay attention. We have to take 2 different letters out of these 4 different letters. The 4 different letters means what? 4C2. 4C2 equals to what? 6. So in total we have 11 ways to form different words by using the letters of the word thesis. Thank you very much, my dear students. Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.